everyone. So I have another unboxing for March and I'm super excited. This box is filled with goodness. Okay, so first I got this. It's called Art. Oh, you know what? I don't like it because my ears stick out. So I don't like it when my ears stick out and it pokes in my hair. I don't like that. All right. So this is a facial kit. It has, it comes with a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. I don't know why I said it like that. I also got hand sanitizer. I'm on an accent kick today. And I don't remember half the things I got because I just order. I don't know what this. Oh, that's my free. Oh, that's my. Okay. And I got quite a few free stuff too. And I got 3 of these last month. I got Breathe Again, Stress Away, and Tranquil. Or Tranquil. I don't know how to pronounce it. So they're rollers. So this month, I got 5 more rollers. Isn't that fun? So I got Peace and Calming. These also come in essential oils as well, not just rollers. So Peace and Calming, Valor. I love Valor. This is that's a popular one as well. Thieves. So many health benefits. Deep Relief. Definitely need this for my shoulders, and because again, I think I mentioned in one of my videos, I hold all of my, unless I edit it out. I do a lot of editing for my videos because I need to, but I hold a lot of tension in my shoulder and neck area. My husband just got home. And Rotavala. Anyway, I think I own like almost all the rollers except Kid Sense. I don't have that. And then, yeah, some more hand soap. This is the only hand soap I'll use. Plus my husband loves it because it doesn't leave any residue. He loves it. All right, more toothpaste. Good oral hygiene. And then I am trying for the first time shampoo and conditioner. Lavender mint. So I'll be using this. I'll be using these when I wash my hair, obviously. Stacy, come on. And I'll let you know how it feels. Now, for my free stuff. Yeah. So when you order so many in PVs, you get free stuff. More Valor essential oil. See, the rollers also come in oil. So Valor essential oil. I cannot get enough Valor. Motivation. Clarity. Yes, I need that. And gift that keeps on giving. Envision. Love this. This helps me focus. This is really good. Well, they all are. What am I talking about? And energy. And last but not least, why is this so difficult for me? I'm coming. Yeah. All right. So I got these adorable roller bottles Inspire. These are so cute. So there's Inspire, Focus, Motivate. And I can mix my own in here, and they come with these cute little wood tops. And look at the color of that roller. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that adorable? Not your typical silver ball, but I can make, oh, that is so cute. Anyway, that's my unboxing. So I hope you all enjoyed, and comment below if you have any questions, and I'll also leave my link in the description. And feel free to visit that for any of these products. And if you have any questions, you can contact me. Thank you. Bye.